We'll guide you through how to delete everything from any Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do. Perhaps you wanted to go and have a fresh start, or you wanted to go and sell it and give it to somebody else, and so you want all of the data removed. So to go and get started with this, what we're going to need to do is you want to go and swipe up like this to open up the app pages and find the option for settings. If you struggle to find it, you can search for it at the top or keep swiping across until you find the app. Now in here, what we're going to do is we're going to go and start scrolling down. Now, when you go and scroll down, you may come across the accounts and backup option. If you don't, you can always press search in the top right and search for backup, just so you can go and back up the device in case you want to go and use that data on a new phone or even this phone in the future. Alternatively, if there's anything you want to keep, you could upload those files to Google Drive or somewhere else. To continue with deleting everything, scroll down and go and find General Management, then scroll down and find the option for Reset. If you struggle to go and find this, you want to press the search in the top right and you can type in reset. To click on it, and then you can scroll down and you can go and come to the bottom and find the option factory data reset. Tap that there. Make sure you read this through and understand what's going to go and be erased and removed. And then at the bottom, press reset when you're sure. Leave a like if you found this useful.